Hi, so recently I was working on a project where we were provided with the data of the app and the company is investing on the marketing of that app and they have the ad data set of the ads from different platforms on which they are investing. So basically we were provided with the Google Ads data and Facebook Ads data, and we need to predict how the number of installs and the amount that they are investing is going on. So basically we provided a dashboard like this, and here is the campaign filter where we can apply the campaign filter like Android or iOS we want to see, or and then there is another date filter where we can apply the time period for which we want to see the results. So basically here is the different metrics that we are tracking: total installs, Android installs, iOS installs, and the amount that they are spending. So basically these are the graphs of those, and here is the cost per install that they are incurring for each app install for iOS and Android. So basically similarly similarly we have the data for Facebook. Similarly we have the data for Facebook. We plot the same data like Google Ads. And now the company is also interested in tracking that how the events are going on. So basically they are tracking like what the number of users have registered on their app and how they are performing the app and the retention rates of the users. So basically we and the data is being pulled from Mixpanel. So basically we made a pipeline where we push the data to BigQuery and connected the BigQuery to Data Studio. So here is the filters like the event in which we are interested in tracking, and the country in which the user is performing the event, and the time period which we need to consider. So here we can see that signups initiated, user registration, and unique bank accounts, how they vary according to the time. And we also plotted the 7-day, 14-day, 30-day, and 60-day retention rates of the users, and how the different transfers are going on. Successful transfer are distributed according to the time and country, and how and the number of events which are being performed in which country, and similarly that how the different events are performed over time. So now we have Android data. So basically we need to like see the organic installs and the inorganic installs that we are incurring. So basically we got this data from Google Play console, and we made the data accordingly, like what are the total number of installs and the organic installs that we are that the company is getting, and the how the amount that they are investing vary according to the time, and the how the installs go over the different ad campaigns that they run. And here is how the country accordingly in which their app is more popular. Similarly we have the data for iOS. So these are the total install, organic installs. So that same matrices that we did for Google Play console. So now at last we also compare how the Android and iOS run in parallel. So here we can see that the total installs vary for Android and iOS for the same time period, and how the organic installs vary, and how the amount that they are spending vary. So basically these are the matrices that we are tracking, and at last we are tracking that in which country, and the number of installs at which they are getting. So basically this is the dashboard that I made. So my name is Ashish Kumar. So I was intern at Blackcoffer. So the experience that I got was very good. So as I was a beginner, and I got a very much experience of working in the industry. So the overall experience was very good for me. So